Started, yeah. In the its behavior is similar to that of a spy. What spy is like, uh, in real life, spies are the people who will get inside somebody else's territory and then will get hold of some secretive information, personal data, okay, confidential data, and then it will send back, it will collect those data, and then will come back and then will either sell it to some party interested or the person who hired them, or may even sell it in the open market for their profit. ठीक है, तो इस तरह का बिहेवियर होता है स्पाइस का. तो
Sir,
हाँ,
but spies do not damage the property of the opposing nation, right?
why not? Who said?
They do.
I'll why not? I'll just make a copy of, let's say कि some spies, there's some secret technology some country is working on. So they will make a copy of it. Let's say some data on their system and whatever files and uh, digital information they have, they will collect it, and then they will destroy their own system so that they lose the data, and the only copy of the data is with them. क्यों नहीं करेंगे? They do. Okay. And even if they don't, harm has already been caused. If your confidential information, some important technology you are working on goes out to the other nation, ठीक है, तो yeah, some people outside your or you say the people whom you don't want to get that data, so harm has been caused in some way or the other. Spies always cause harm. Okay. So spyware is a type of malware. So we have seen that it's one of the type or subcategories of malware or the malicious software
Sir,
that
many
spies
of
on.
the malware are similar to each other almost.
Huh?
Means most of the malware are similar to each other.
How? What is the difference between virus and a worm?
A worm replicates very fast.
Uh,
Virus does not replicate that. So
में यही याद आ रहा है. There are some major differences. Standalone requires host.
yes,
Triggered cannot be triggered on its own.
but the main means the main intention is to spy and steal.
No, main intention is to cause harm in some way or the other, but they are classified on the basis or the way in which they propagate or spread. Okay, or they come in into your computer or your digital system. Of course, all of them will at the end you will say that they are causing destruction to your files, folders, data, stealing of information. So that is the generic definition of what you say is malware. So, like for example, Ankit, you cannot say na ki why are we classifying animals in different ways? Animals, dogs are also animals, cats are also animals. So if you see, basically all of them are breathing, all of them are made of blood and flesh, all of them have four limbs. Mostly they have heart, all of them have heart, brain. तो इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि classification is not important. Okay. Is it clear?
What's your class going on?
Yes, sir.
Ankit? Okay. Right. Take it. So, of course, all of them will be causing harm in some way or the other. But the main, the classification we are studying is mostly based on the way they spread, the way they get into your system, and the way they, you can say, or their modus operandi, MO, how they operate. Okay. But of course, finally, they have to either steal data, they will either destroy data, they will either, you can say, corrupt your data. तो वही सब होता है काम, but the classifications are mostly on basis on the which they propagate, they work, they implement. Okay. Now, so spyware is a type of malware that spies on a person or an organization by gathering information about them. Okay. So it's a malware which spies on a person or an organization by gathering information about them without the knowledge of the user. So if it is within the knowledge that somebody is collecting data, that won't be a spy anymore. ठीक है. So इसके कुछ फीचर क्या होते हैं? Of course, it is a malware. Okay. Spies on person or an organization, or an organization. Okay. And by gathering information, gathering information. Okay. One important point is without the knowledge of the user, without the knowledge or consent, you can say consent of the user or the organization. ठीक है? And then it sends the data, the confidential or personal data, gathered data or information to external entity. Okay. External entity, that also without your consent. Okay. So this is all about spyware. Uh, it may sell them, even it may sell it to the advertisers. ठीक है. मान लो कि what type of things you are frequently see, many a times we may open you say e-commerce websites, and then sort of we do digital window shopping these days. Window shopping जानते हो ना कि uh, you will simply walk around the malls and the shops,
Not buying anything, sir.
not
Yeah.
buying anything. You'll just have a look around and then you will come back. That's window shopping.
Just
So
scrolling.
something like that. Okay. So agar many a times we won't buy, but we will be scrolling and we'll be digitally looking different items and articles. Okay, this new item has come, this thing has come. So if such activities are tracked by certain softwares which are spywares, those activities can be sent to advertisers, and then you will see that pop-ups coming up on your computer. Okay, okay. If you there are spywares, and last night if you looked for shoes, you will see some advertisement of shoes with discounts appearing next morning in the pop-up. Okay. So such things are also done. So data may also be sold to advertisers. Also advertisers. Okay. Uh, it may also capture your credit card details or financial details. Okay. Bank account
So that
information.
is only if you do any purchases or something, right? Otherwise, how
No,
can
many people see, you may not be doing it, or maybe you will do it in the future when you will have such details with you. Many people see these days, if you see any person's wallet, a person is working so in some organization, you will see 3 4 debit cards or 1 or 2 credit cards, and then some you can say different types of cards are there. Okay, some prepaid cards. So many such cards will be there, many information will be there. So many times what people do is they don't remember the pins and the details and bank accounts. So generally they will create some folders and personal information, and they will save it in some place in the computer. So many people do it. Okay, one time I also used to do it. तो अब तो उधर नहीं करता हूँ, but हाँ. So in such cases, if you have such files, it will be looking for such details on your computer, and if it gets hold of it, that those details, then such data will also be compromised. So financial details may also track and sell financial details. Financial details, these can be cards, credit, debit cards, ठीक है, बैंक डिटेल्स, तो इस तरह की डिटेल्स को भी वो तुम्हारा करता है. इनफैक्ट many people have so many accounts and so many passwords कि generally they will save it in some form somewhere in this some file also. So passwords, it can be financial, non-financial, everything. ठीक है, तो इस तरह की डिटेल्स भी, एंड इवन यूजर्स आइडेंटिटी, इसको आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट कहते हैं. Okay, what is identity theft? When you pose as somebody else using somebody else's identity. Let's say you make a social media account in, maybe for a fun sake.
Plagiarism, right, sir?
No, plagiarism though, it's a different thing. I'm telling you something about identity theft. Identity theft में क्या होगा? Let's say कि I want to prank someone, let's say Ankit. So what I'll do is I'll create a social media account किसी पे भी, फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, और वहां पे वो अंकित का फोटो लगा देंगे. ठीक है, एंड everything, because let's say being a close friend or a person who knows him closely, I may have few photographs of him. ठीक है, few photographs, casual photos, which may trick other people in believing that कि okay, this is Ankit. Okay, and then let's say Ankit is not on social media, he will never come to know, or might be by the time he comes to know कि you might be having good number of people who are known to Ankit connected to this profile, और उसके मैं सबसे communicate कर रहा हूँ. Okay, either for good intention or bad intention, whatever, I'm not getting into that, but this is known as what? Identity theft. ठीक है, identity theft है ये, कि you are posing as someone else. Okay, posing as someone else. Okay. सो अगर ये तरह का पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी भी उसके पास आ जाएगा, कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स ले ले, तो यू मे बी प्रोन टू आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट आल्सो. दैट्स आल्सो अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग. ओके, तो ये एक चीज होता है. देन यू हैव बैंक थेफ्ट आल्सो. ओके, लाइक स्कैम्स, स्कैमस्टर्स आर देयर, दे विल कॉल यू. ओके, कि जैसे कि कोई फोन करता है ना कि सर योर कार्ड इज एक्सपायरिंग टुडे, and if you want, I'm your bank manager, I'm calling you, you will receive one OTP on your phone, tell me immediately if you want your new card to be issued. So many people fall for such things, such scams, and then the moment you tell the OTP, actually wo transaction ko OTP rehta hai, they will withdraw some amount from your account. So those things are bank theft. So these two are very important. ये बोर्ड के सैंपल पेपर में रहा है लास्ट ईयर भी. आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट की, दे विल गिव यू सम सिनेरियो. अगर बैंक से रिलेटेड कुछ फ्रॉड होता है तो दैट विल बी बैंक थेफ्ट. और अगर तुम्हारे पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी से रिलेटेड, इफ सम सिनेरियो मेंशंस कि योर पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी हैज बीन कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड, सो दैट थिंग विल बी नोन एज आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट. तो ये दोनों चीज को एग्जाम, इस पर्टिकुलर इस एग्जाम के लिए भी याद रखना, व्हाट आर बैंक थेफ्ट एंड आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये दो चीज हमने देखा. स्पाईवेयर भी देख लिया. सो स्पाईवेयर में कॉज दीज थिंग्स टू हैपन. स्पाईवेयर के कारण तुम्हारे पॉपअप्स में स्टार्ट कमिंग अप. लेट्स से स्पाईवेयर है, एंड इफ स्पाईवेयर कलेक्ट सम डेटा, फाइनेंशियल. हाँ,
Rolvin is asking whether identity theft is a crime.
ऑफ कोर्स इट इज अ क्राइम. साइबर क्राइम है वो. इट्स अ क्राइम. These things are cyber crime. What is cyber crime? Any crime. ठीक है, any crime या any crime committed when you are online or connected to internet. Online or connected to internet. ओके, सो ये तुम्हारा ये हो जाएगा. These things are आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट, बैंक थेफ्ट, ये तुम्हारा साइबर क्राइम है. अनदर थिंग इज कंप्यूटर क्राइम. व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर क्राइम? How is it different from cyber crime? Cyber crime may be when you are using digital devices and you are connected, or you are online, or you are connected to the internet, that will be falling under cyber crime. But what is computer crime?
So means accessing data from our computer.
So when we are offline, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. That is the major difference. कि when some crime is there, अब मान लो कि तुम गए अपने फ्रेंड के यहाँ, ठीक है, देखा उसका नया एलियन वेयर है. आई डोंट हैव, मतलब जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, वियर्ड एग्जांपल. अब वो नया एलियन वेयर लेके आया है एंड यू वांटेड टू हैव दैट. अब नहीं है, अब तुमने उससे पानी गिरा दिया, ठीक है, कि नहीं मेरे पास नहीं है, इसके पास भी नहीं रहेगा, यू स्पिल्ड वाटर ओवर इट. तो वो सब तुम्हारा उस तरह का क्राइम है. या यू मैन हैंडल्ड इट, यू ब्रोक इट, डैमेज्ड इट, तो दैट विल कम अंडर कंप्यूटर क्राइम. वो साइबर क्राइम नहीं होगा. ओके तो ये जो 4-5 टर्म्स मैंने बताए हैं, आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट, बैंक
Sir,
थेफ्ट.
but it is not intentional, right?
हाँ,
It is not intentional.
when I am mentioning crime, crime is always intentional.
No,
हाँ,
sir.
it can be non-intentional as well, ठीक है, but अब मान लो कि गलती से गिर गया तो उसको क्राइम थोड़ी बोलेंगे. It won't be like computer crime. ठीक है, it is understandable कि अब वो you slipped. Let's say you were walking with the laptop, your friend's laptop, in his house, and you are just climbing down the stairs. तो अब you slipped, तुम्हें भी चोट लगा, लैपटॉप भी गिर गया, then वो तो कोई अंडरस्टैंड कर लेगा, समझ जाएगा कि that is not a crime. Okay, ठीक है, तो okay, the person might feel bad, but ठीक है, क्या कर सकते, हो जाता है. Okay, the such things are there. So this was about spyware. Okay, and remember one thing, spywares may result in pop-ups coming up. ठीक है, स्पाईवेयर्स के कारण एडवेयर आ सकते हैं, एड्स आते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि मान लो कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट कंपनी को भेज दिया कि तुम्हारा योर ट्रैकिंग डिटेल्स, लाइक तुम्हारा व्हाट इज योर शॉपिंग पैटर्न, व्हाट थिंग्स यू आर लुकिंग. ओके, यहाँ पे मैं एक और पॉइंट लिख देता हूँ. व्हाट दे विल सेल, योर शॉपिंग पैटर्न, और या जिसको डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट्स बोलते हैं. ओके, दीज टर्म्स को थोड़ा फेमिलियर रहो. डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट्स मतलब क्या? Your
Follow
mark
wherever we
that
are
you
going.
left online.
When we are online.
Sort of digital history, या digital mark that you have left online, which can be traced later. Those are known as digital footprints. Okay, you should be very careful to these things nowadays, especially. You know why? I have seen, you might not be knowing, but I know quite a few emerging leaders, young leaders of the world, who could not make big in the politics. You will read maybe in future about them. You know why? कि अब मान लो कि कोई है, in USA it has happened कि some person is there, some rising politician is there, and that politician is leading a campaign against drug abuse. ठीक है, कि ड्रग अब्यूज के अगेंस्ट ये चला रहा है. पर अब उसमें क्या हुआ ना कि कोई उसका डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट को ट्रेस किया, एंड फ्रॉम देयर सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट, फेसबुक या कहीं से 10-15 इयर्स बैक उसका कॉलेज का फ्रेशर्स पार्टी का या किसी का फोटो ले आया, द पर्सन इज कंज्यूमिंग ड्रग्स. ठीक है, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि दैट वाज एट दैट टाइम द पर्सन वाज नॉट करेक्ट. ठीक है, बट वो उस समय इमेच्योर था, चाइल्डहुड में था, गलतियां कर दी उसने. माइट बी ही लेटर रियलाइज्ड ही इवॉल्व्ड इनटू अ गुड पर्सन, and he firmly believes that that thing is not good and he is campaigning against it in future. But अब वो drug abuse का वो poster boy बना हुआ है, and somebody traces this online digital footprints and brings it up, वो तो career ruin कर देता है फिर उसका. That person मतलब politically murder, वो died. तो उस तरह का चीज बहुत केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है. So I'll suggest कि these days ये बहुत आसानी से तुम लोग जो फोटो लगा देते हो कहीं पे भी, Instagram, Facebook, you should be very very particular. Even status updates, ठीक है, तो don't get swayed away by anything else कि कहीं status लगा दिए, कुछ भी लगा दिए, anything political, non-political which is going on, you give your opinion by listening to the mass. We tend to do. Okay, many types of protests are going on and some may feel it is good or it is bad without going into the details of it. क्योंकि बस ज्यादा लोग बोल रहे हैं तो गलत ही होगा या सही ही होगा. I'm not going into politics, but I'm telling you. So be smart enough. Your career is just starting. Who knows कि tomorrow you might be some big bureaucrat और बहुत बड़ी position पे जाओगे, and then such things somebody will bring up और कोई ना कोई ढूंढ लेगा. अगर इस तरह के डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट्स रख दोगे आज कि आज तुमने वॉइस किया. See, today you are saying about some XYZ protest going on कि I don't like it or I like it. ठीक है, आज तुमने बोल दिया, but in later in future you realized कि what you said earlier that was wrong and I rather जो बोला था मैंने उसके उल्टा सही है. You may change your stance and you may start your campaign, but कोई वो निकाल लेगा कि देखिए वो the person has no integrity. For political gains, the person is changing his stand because 5-10 years back, this person had another stance. So what I am suggesting is कि be very careful when you are posting something online. ठीक है, आज के लिए वो सेलिब्रेशन इंस्टेंस का वो तुम्हारा सेलिब्रेशन मोमेंट का पिक्चर हो सकता है. Tomorrow it may, when you are doing something in your life, in your career, you become some prominent personality. That small thing which appears to be a moment of fun may ruin your career or may hit you a big time. ठीक है, it has happened. So be very careful, very very careful. Okay, nothing, don't, ऐसा क्या है, enjoy करना है तो personally जाके कर लो. Don't leave your digital footprints. तो digital footprints से भी बोल सकते हो online history or your traces. Okay, तो which can later be retrieved. Okay, तो वो तुम्हारे digital footprints होते हैं which may later be retrieved. Okay, so आज से be very careful before posting any picture, any quote. Okay, writing anything, your opinion against any burning issue, think 100 times. Or I'll rather say don't post anything. ठीक है, कल, क्योंकि कल को वो हो सकता है अभी तुम मास का ओपिनियन सुन के कुछ लिख देते हो, कल को वो चीज गलत हो. जब तुम्हारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हो, यू माइट कम टू नो कि इट वाज रॉन्ग. ओके, सो डोंट बी इन अ हरी. ओके, फॉर्म योर ओपिनियन, कीप लर्निंग. लर्निंग इज ऑलवेज गुड. ओके, उसको ब्रॉडकास्ट नहीं करना. ओके, चलो, ज्ञान की बातें बहुत हो गई, थोड़ा सिलेबस कर लेता. राइट, next is your adware. What is an adware? देखो, adware तो देखते होगे कि it actually adware is nothing, something which will not cost you मतलब a big time. It will not destroy your files generally. It will not slow down your system. It will not corrupt your system. ऐसा कुछ नहीं करेगा. इसका main purpose होता है to get clicks or advertisement purpose. So adware is a malware that is created to generate revenue for its developer. ठीक है? It's a malware whose intention is malware.
So is it legal?
Yeah, it is legal. Legal in the sense nobody wants it. पर वो होगा, वो पॉपअप ब्लॉकर्स सब नहीं लगाते, वो सब क्या है, एडवेयर सब ही है. पॉपअप ब्लॉकर्स लगा के ब्लॉक कर देते हैं टू जनरेट रेवेन्यू. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग लाइक इलीगल. ये इलीगल जैसा नहीं है, बट इट विल इरिटेट यू व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग ऑनलाइन एक्सपीरियंस में. जनरेट रेवेन्यू फॉर इट्स डेवलपर. ठीक है. Okay, an advert displays online advertisements using pop-ups, web pages or installation screens. ठीक है, तो ये तुमको कुछ ऐसा करके दिखाएगा. Displays online advertisements. Online advertisements. Online advertisements, pop-ups, online advertisements, pop-ups, web pages. Many times you might have seen when you are clicking on some link, another web page opens which is some sort of advertisement. Okay, फिर उसको close करोगे, फिर again if you click the link, then you will reach the proper web page. ठीक है, unnecessary जो web pages खुलते रहते हैं, that those are nothing but adwares होते हैं उसमें. Web pages or installation screens. Yeah.
So what kind of a business is this?
It's not a business, it's a motive. It's developed with the motive. देखो अब वहां पे क्या आएगा कि लेट्स से कि तुम्हारा स्पाईवेयर था, उसने तुम्हारा शॉपिंग पैटर्न को सेल कर दिया एडवर्टाइजमेंट वाले को. द एडवर्टाइजमेंट पर्सन विल sort of get something or send some adware to your system, and next morning you will see the pop-ups coming of that advertisement only. So many a times adware and spyware will work in you can say in conjunction, एक दूसरे के साथ वर्क करता है. And the moment you click on that advertisement, per click पे उन्हें पैसा मिलता है. Okay, if you click once, you might get 5 paise or something like that, or 1 paise, something like that. Okay, so if you click once, it will be sort of some revenue for the person. Okay, it's not a business, it's a way to get clicks and get revenue.
Means
Yeah.
from where will they get the money?
From where?
Yes, sir.
देखो एड्स से क्या होता है ना कि जिस वेबसाइट पे वो एड दिखता है ना, दैट वेबसाइट पर्सन हो सकता है, या सी इट्स नॉट अबाउट ऑनलाइन एड्स. जो टीवी पे कमर्शियल्स देखते हो, टेलीविजन पे, हाउ डू दे अर्न मनी? Rather, when you are seeing some movie, in between movies you will see advertisements. Who do you think pays? The person showing the advertisement, or the person who is allowing that company to display the advertisement?
So
shows the advertisement.
shows the advertisement.
First-
The owner of the
हाँ.
advertisement. was-
ओनर है, लेट्स से तुम्हारा एडिडास का कोई शूज है या उसका स्पोर्ट्स वेयर है, उसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट आ रहा है, तो द पर्सन हु इज एडवर्टाइजिंग विल पे. नाउ यू विल से कि व्हाट एडवांटेज और व्हाट गेन द पर्सन हैज. वो पैसा भी लगा रहा है और वो एडवर्टाइज करने के लिए, सो इट्स लूजिंग. नो, इट्स नॉट लूजिंग. एवरी डे इफ यू सी, मान लो कि एडिडास का होर्डिंग्स देखते हो या कमर्शियल्स देखते हो, in the back of the mind it will get settled down in your like in subconscious कि shoes means Adidas. So next when you think of buying a shoe, you will automatically go to that showroom कि नहीं यार Adidas के shoes अच्छे होते हैं, for sport, so running I should buy that. Okay, so that
So
way,
more than that, they show offers, like they say 40% off, 50% off. So that attracts people more.
हाँ, that attracts people. तो उस तरह करके वो लोग कस्टमर्स लाते हैं. So advertisement is a way of gaining customer base or increasing the customer base, which then ultimately results in the revenue. Okay, so वो जो कंपनी जो अपना एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रही है, that company pays to the web person और the जिसपे वो तुम्हारा एडवर्टाइजमेंट देख रहे हो. Okay, so that the client base increases. उसका जो कस्टमर बेस होता है वो इंक्रीज करेगा. ओके, कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट का ही पर्पस जो होता है डिजिटल टेलीविजन कमर्शियल्स का, सेम इज देयर इन द दिस आल्सो. पर क्लिक द एडवर्टाइजमेंट कंपनी विल पे टू द वेबसाइट जहां पे वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिख रहा है तुम्हें. ओके, तो समथिंग लाइक दैट इज देयर. ओके, उसके बाद तुम्हारा क्या हो जाता है, डिस्प्लेज, ऑनलाइन एडवर्टाइजमेंट, पॉपअप्स, ये सब तो
Sir?
देख लिया हम. हाँ,
Sir, who has access to our digital footprints?
anybody can मतलब what is a digital footprint? See, digital footprint can be both in the terms of legal and illegal. Your digital footprints can be your details of your Aadhaar card. That is a digital footprint. Let's say you have written some post on some social media platform. That is a digital footprint which public also has access. आप सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पे जब लिखते हो कुछ, तो जिसको जिसको तुमने अलाउ कर रखा है, the people whom you have allowed to view that post, they have access to that to your digital trail. ठीक है, the company who is managing that social media platform has access to the digital trail. Okay, तो वो उस तरह की चीजें होती हैं कि इट मे यू कैन नॉट पॉइंट ऑलवेज सिंगल, मतलब कि वन सिंगल पर्सन, डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच टाइप ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म यू आर यूजिंग, देयर कैन बी डिफरेंट पीपल हु मे बी हैविंग दैट फुटप्रिंट. सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स पे योर फ्रेंड्स फैमिली हु आर इन योर ग्रुप हु कैन व्यू दैट मैसेज, दे हैव द एक्सेस टू द फुटप्रिंट. ठीक है. इवन द कंपनी मेंटेनिंग फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम, उन लोगों के पास होता है डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट. क्या? So you cannot point
So,
anybody in particular.
so once we delete the photo or the post that we have posted, nobody can access it.
It may not always be true. Okay, it may not always be true. Many times what happens is they can be recovered also if some person has some expertise. In fact, what I believe is that most of the social media giants, they may allow you to delete it, but they may archive it also. That's one of the concerns for the privacy. Okay, कि वो तुमको दिखा देगा deleted, but in server they might who knows if they are doing it, who knows. Okay, see, Google nowadays is almost everywhere. Many times you might have seen even if your phone is off, your laptop is off, you're not doing anything, you spoken some word, and if you open Google, you will see that thing coming up, advertisement coming up. Okay, so microphones are on. One picture that went viral, I'm not sure. You can open that, search on Google. On the screen, one image of Mark Zuckerberg was there sitting on one in front of his desk in office. Okay.
He put tape on his microphone.
Yeah, correct. You will see that you अपने कैमरा पे वो टेप लगा दिया था, कैमरा पे और माइक्रोफोन्स पे. Okay. So why they are putting tapes there? मतलब क्या कि it was suspected that they are doing it. When you use Facebook, that means even if your camera is not turned on or microphone is not turned on, they secretly capture those inputs. Else there is no reason for him to put tapes there and here, microphones पे, cameras पे. So वो बहुत सारे concerns हैं. So be very careful. Don't give anyone any such chance to mine your data. ठीक है. तो you can't say, देखते हो लिखता है terms and conditions, but who knows क्या हो रहा है अंदर में. ठीक है. Right. And
So
mostly
that
what
isn't what they are doing a crime?
if it comes out in public, then it is a crime. Then they get penalized. But in order to find what if an expert is doing a crime, you need a person who is who has an expertise to a greater extent. So the best of the market, they are themselves. तो उनको पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है. हाँ, the day they will be caught, they will be fined, or they will be penalized. Company may be shut down. हो सकता है. ठीक है. तो such things are there. तो क्या कर सकते हैं? Even you might have seen, we Indians are so much in love of apps and all that we easily throw away our privacy. When you install one app, कोई app install करते हो, ठीक है, तो उसमें सबसे पहले let's say कि it's an app for grocery, या grocery का app है या image editing app है, तो grocery app को किसी app को download करोगे, तो you will see that कि even if it is some cab aggregator, grocery, कोई भी app ले लो आजकल, game भी है, तो they will ask certain permissions कि allow this app to use to make phone calls, to access your messages, to what you say, to look into your gallery. Why? अरे वो अगर मेरा ऐप है, let's say gaming app है, why it needs to make calls? I have access to my call history, have access to my messages, should have access to my what you say is gallery, phone gallery. क्यों जरूरत है? And if you don't check all, you will see कि this next proceed button or install button या वो सब आएगा ही नहीं. Don't install the apps. क्या जरूरत है ऐसा? ठीक है. तो we are not raising voice. In European countries and many other countries, they have put very strong regulations to this. ठीक है. तो क्यों मेरा फोन कॉल उसको क्यों देखना है? If some cab aggregator है या even we are so casual कि तुम डोमिनोज में पिज्जा ऑर्डर करोगे, ठीक है, you ordered pizza, they will ask phone number. Why should I give you my phone number? मैं पिज्जा लेने आया हूँ, you take the cash, that's enough. I don't want to share my phone number. And we never question it. We will give it so casually. ठीक है. और एक बार बोलो कि नहीं देंगे, फिर उन लोगों का देखो रिएक्शन कि why sir, it's for your benefit, we cannot proceed with the bill and all. Why you cannot proceed with the bill? तुम्हारा काम फोन नंबर, फोन डायरेक्टरी बनाना है या you have to sell pizzas? Okay, so these are some of the concerns. You need to be sensitive about it. अगर आज से नहीं
So they'll
समझोगे ना,
start sending spam messages. Why is that? So?
स्पैम मैसेजेस, तुम्हारा डेटा पब्लिक डोमेन में, तुम्हारा फोन नंबर सर्कुलेट हो जाता है, यू विल सी वो लोग सारे मतलब कि जाके फोन तुम्हारा, दे विल सेल इट टू इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, टू बैंकर्स, टू, फिर उसके बाद यू विल स्टार्ट रिसीविंग कॉल्स कि मेरा इंश्योरेंस ले लीजिए, योर मेडिकल प्लान ले लीजिए, गो फॉर सम गिफ्ट हैम्पर्स आर देयर. इट्स अ बिग रैकेट. यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड वेरी सेंसिटिव. इट्स अ वेरी बैड प्रैक्टिस. मतलब कुछ भी खरीदने जाओ, सर फोन नंबर, व्हाई डू यू नीड माय फोन नंबर? ओके, तो वी देखो, ये इस चैप्टर का जो है ना, you will see the heading. It does not say कि something like cyber security. इस चैप्टर का हेडिंग है ethics. Ethics, समझे? कभी भी इसको देखोगे ना, चैप्टर के नेम में you will find this word ethics. What does it mean? Having your moral compass set right. Having your moral compass, your conscience जो बोलते हो, moral compass right, set right. In terms of computer, your digital moral compass बोल सकते हो when you are using computer. तो जब तक तुम्हारा conscience जो है, जो तुम्हारा conscience हो गया, तुम्हारा moral compass है, तुम्हारा intention सही नहीं है, तो you are risk to others and you are also at risk. ठीक है, इसलिए these chapters have become very important. ये प्रोग्रामिंग से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आजकल. Okay. अरे तुम लोग कहाँ कहाँ खींच के लेके चले जाते हो मुझे. Let's come back. Okay. Right. Okay. So generate revenue. They generate, how they generate revenue? Advertisers. By displaying advertisements or pay per click. Okay, ये दो उसका जनरली होता है, एक per click mechanism. Okay. हाँ, it is harmless but annoying. Generally harmless but annoying. Okay. So, but may aid other malware to penetrate your system in form of advertisement links. ट्रोजन आ सकता है इससे. ट्रोजन का याद है ना, ईमेल अटैचमेंट्स और सम लिंक्स यू क्लिक ऑन इंटरनेट. ठीक है, और इवन वायरस में कम, नॉर्मल वायरसेस, वॉर्म्स में कम. ठीक है, लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे डाउनलोड हो जाएगा. फॉर्म ऑफ
Sir, is there a possibility that the antivirus software companies, they themselves can send some type of virus or malware?
Antivirus company says?
Is there a possibility that any antivirus company themselves can send malware into our computers?
If they want to dig their own grave, they can, and they will. नहीं तो फिर फायदा क्या है? It's the source of the bread and butter. उनका तो bread and butter है to protect against viruses. And if they start sending malware themselves, okay, तब तो फिर one or two, it will slowly, the word will spread and that company, they will be sued so many times. ठीक है, और उसके बाद तो फिर they will be on the verge of bankruptcy. And maybe they will even become bankrupt. ठीक है, हम लोग, we Indians are very polite, but मतलब हमारे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वी आर बैड, but we are less sensitive to these things. But in many Western countries and ye countries, we, of course, and that is why we are reading these topics, so that we become sensitive towards these issues, and we raise our voice and concerns, and we stop or we face these challenges head on in future. ठीक है, तो डेटा प्राइवेसी और ये सब जो है साइबर सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो अगर एंटीवायरस कंपनी वैसा करेगा तो यू कैन टेक देम टू कोर्ट. ठीक है, मेक देम पे कंपनसेशन एंड शॉर्टली दे विल. मतलब हुआ था ना किसी कार कंपनी के साथ, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, इन जर्मनी और समवेयर, around 2000 or 20,000 units of cars had to be withdrawn. They were found कि उनका इंजन्स में क्या कर रहे थे ना वो लोग कि दे हैड देयर कार. देखना उसके बारे में गूगल में, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम. उनका जो कार है ना, दे हैड पुट सम डिवाइस हियर इन द एग्जॉस्ट, जिससे कि अगर तुम उसका पोल्यूशन मेजर करते, तो द पोल्यूशन which the car is actually emitting, that device manipulates the another device which is measuring the pollution, and it tricks that measuring device into showing lower pollution levels. ठीक है, तो अपना मतलब कि इंजन विच वाज नॉट दैट गुड उसको अपने कार्स में वो लगा के दे वर सेलिंग एंड क्लेमिंग टू बी ऑफ हायर स्टैंडर्ड. ठीक है, सो दे वर कॉट एंड
This
देन
would not have been a problem in India.
It would not have been a problem in India, of course. But nowadays we are becoming sensitive. People are raising questions, and that is what I expect you people to do in future. ठीक है?
So I guess the company was Volkswagen.
I think so, yes. हुआ था ऐसा, बहुत recently ही हुआ था. 20,000 units or some number of cars were had to be straight away withdrawn from the market. They were caught. Okay. So right, ठीक है. अब चलो, आज तो मैं सोचा था बहुत आगे तक जाएंगे, पर कल देखते हैं.
Well, can't we put a stop on all this?
How? Whole system has to change. Whole system has to become sensitive. I am sensitive. You have maybe become today somewhat sensitive, but we are blessed with around 1.4 billion heads, live heads, right? So you have to make them sensitive. We have to make them, and it may take decades.
Well, like cyber police can track them. And
how many people are there? Do you ever imagine? Do you ever think how many cyber attacks or unwanted traffics hit your computer, and how many cyber crimes are committed per minute against the workforce that we are assigned in the name of cyber branch or cyber team of the government? They might be in hundreds and maybe thousands, but the attacks that these are taking place is from all over the world. Internet is something which is not restricted only to India. In India alone, every day might be, I think, lakhs of cyber crimes might be happening. They cannot focus on each and every crime. Okay. So, and it is practically impossible. So they will take major challenges into issue which is impacting large number of people. They will not take up. They will take up if somebody gets somehow gets hacks into your system and takes some photographs and misuses it online. Then you can of course go and raise complaints and action will be taken against them. वो तो हो जाएगा. But it's very, very difficult कि police alone cannot do it. Okay, that also mentality we have to change. See, constitution पर हो गया ना. 1 minute I'll take. Constitution में there are two things. Constitution of India. It's first part, starting के part 3 में देखोगे, fundamental rights are there. We are very, very vocal when it comes to expressing our right to freedom. कि हम बोलेंगे, you should not get offended. I have the right to offend. It comes under right to freedom of speech and expression. Okay, but people also forget another part, that is part 4 or part 5 deals with fundamental duties. तब इसका नाम कोई नहीं लेता constitution में. The fundamental rights gives you certain rights which you have in capacity as a citizen or the resident of the India. But fundamental duties, they are not enforceable, but they are mentioned कि all the good citizens, all the true citizens of India should follow these things. वो फिर हम लोग नहीं करते. ठीक है, बट हाँ, टू रेजिंग वॉइस एंड सेफगार्डिंग आवर राइट्स वी आर वेरी, जो गवर्नमेंट से चाहिए हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, बट व्हाट वी नीड टू कंट्रीब्यूट व्हेन इट कम्स टू दैट नोबडी इवन थिंक्स अबाउट इट. ओके, सो डोंट ऑलवेज क्रिटिसाइज द सिस्टम. Okay, system criticism is very good, but make sure you are criticizing only when you have given your best. ठीक है, why should I pay tax when I don't get any facilities? Are you paying tax? The day you pay tax and the day you notice कि something work is not being done, उस दिन क्वेश्चन करना, ठीक है. फर्स्ट पे टैक्स. ठीक है, चलो वो सब तो बात की बात है, कंप्यूटर पे ज्यादा हम लोगों को ध्यान देना. चलो, I thought of covering a bit more, but I think what we have covered so far is, on an average we are covering 2 every day. Okay. Anyways, कल तो कंप्लीट कर ही देंगे हम. ठीक है, ये नहीं हुआ अभी. सो वी आर हियर. कल ये दोनों खत्म कर देंगे, इसमें भी अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है, रूटकिट और ये. एंड देन वी विल सी फ्यू ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट अदर थिंग्स. वो क्या होते हैं, स्पैम, HTTP, HTTPS, फायरवॉल, ओके, एंड some things like that, hackers, crackers, DODS, distributed denial of service attack, eavesdropping we have already seen. So a few more concepts are there. Maybe in next 2 to 3 classes we'll complete them as well. Okay, fine. I'm already past my time. I have to start with 12th as well. ठीक है, चलो. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.